Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something mysterious, a bit creepy, and highly misunderstood. The dark web. What is it really? Why do people use it? And is it as dangerous as it sounds? Let's break it down in simple terms. The internet you and I use every day, like Google, YouTube, Instagram, is just the surface web. But beneath that lies something much bigger, known as the deep web. This includes stuff that isn't indexed by search engines like your private emails or banking info. And then, there's a hidden corner of the internet called the dark web, a part of the deep web that's intentionally hidden and only accessible through special software like Tor. Websites on the dark web don't use .com or .in, they use .onion domains, and you can't access them through normal browsers. You need the Tor browser, which routes your traffic through multiple servers to keep your identity anonymous. Now, you might be wondering, what's the point of the dark web? Well, not everything on it is illegal. Let's break it into two parts. Journalists and whistleblowers use the dark web to communicate securely without fear of being tracked. People living under oppressive governments might use it to access uncensored news. Privacy advocates use it to protect their digital footprint. Unfortunately, the dark web is also home to illegal marketplaces selling drugs, weapons, fake IDs, stolen data, and more. Hacking forums are common, where cybercriminals trade stolen credentials or hacking tools. Criminals use it to stay under the radar from law enforcement. Here's an important point. Visiting the dark web is not illegal in most countries. But if you access or participate in criminal activity, then yes, that's a different story and can land you in serious trouble. To access the dark web, you need to download the Tor browser. This browser is designed to keep your identity anonymous by routing your traffic through multiple servers. Once you have the Tor browser, you can start exploring .onion websites. But remember, always be cautious and avoid illegal activities. The Tor browser is available for free and can be downloaded from the official Tor project website. Once installed, open the browser and you'll notice that it looks similar to other web browsers, but with enhanced privacy features. Start by visiting some well-known Onion directories or forums to get a feel for the environment. These directories list various dark web websites, much like a phone book for the dark web. However, it's crucial to remain vigilant and protect your personal information. Use a virtual private network, VPN, for an added layer of security, and never share any sensitive information. Exploring the dark web can be intriguing, but always remember the risks involved. Stay safe and informed. Navigating the dark web can be risky, so here are some essential safety tips to keep you protected. 1. Use a VPN to add an extra layer of security. This will help mask your IP address and location, making it even harder for anyone to track your online activities. 1. Never share personal information. The dark web is rife with scams and data theft, so keep your identity and personal details strictly confidential. 1. Avoid downloading files from untrusted sources. Many files on the dark web can contain malware or viruses that can compromise your device and personal data. 1. Be aware of scams and phishing attempts. Always double-check the legitimacy of websites and communications. If something seems too good to be true, it probably is. By following these safety tips, you can explore the dark web more securely. Stay safe and use the dark web responsibly. The dark web has several legal uses. For instance, it can be a haven for free speech in countries with strict censorship. Researchers and law enforcement agencies use it to monitor illegal activities. Additionally, it can be a platform for whistleblowers to share information without fear of retribution. While the dark web often gets a bad rap, it's important to remember that it can also serve as a powerful tool for good. Dark web marketplaces are infamous for selling illegal goods. However, not all transactions are illegal. Some marketplaces sell legal products, but it's crucial to be cautious. Law enforcement agencies often monitor these sites, and participating in illegal activities can lead to severe consequences. Understanding the landscape of these marketplaces can help you navigate them safely. Always verify the legitimacy of the products and the reputation of the sellers. Remember, ignorance is not an excuse in the eyes of the law. As with any online marketplace, exercise due diligence and prioritize your safety. The dark web can be a double-edged sword. It can offer anonymity and access to unique products, but it can also pose significant risks if not approached with caution. The future of the dark web is uncertain. As technology evolves, so do the methods used by both users and law enforcement. While it will continue to be a place for anonymity and privacy, efforts to curb illegal activities will likely increase. The dark web will remain a controversial and intriguing part of the internet. Advancements in encryption and privacy tools may make it harder for authorities to track illegal activities, but at the same time, new technologies could also aid in identifying and prosecuting cybercriminals. The balance between maintaining privacy and ensuring security will be a constant tug of war. Moreover, the shifting landscape of global internet regulations could impact how the dark web operates. Countries may tighten their cyber laws, making it more challenging for dark web users to stay anonymous. Conversely, some regions might advocate for stronger privacy rights, thereby bolstering the dark web's user base. In essence, the dark web will continue to evolve, and its future will be shaped by the ongoing battle between privacy advocates and law enforcement agencies. As we move forward, staying informed about these changes will be crucial for anyone interested in the dark web. So, the dark web isn't just a place for hackers and criminals, it's a tool. Like any tool, it depends on how people use it. If you found this video interesting, drop a like, subscribe for more tech breakdowns, and let me know in the comments. Would you ever explore the dark web just out of curiosity?